I'm in your nightmares like that nigga Freddy Krueger. Quit you in the torture rack, straight Lex Luger. Any fucking
You thought I wasn't gonna respond to your whack ass Facebook diss, nigga? Yeah. This is my last diss to you, bitch ass nigga, go. This shit getting real old and played out, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Little bitch, I'm at your head, nigga. Keep your eyes open, you better not go to sleep, nigga. Look, come on now, little Quan G dog. Come to my hood, think you running my block, get your top knocked off. Do me a favor, take that G-Shock off. Now we all know that Lil Quan G-Shop at the Pontiac Mall. But we don't even gotta go that far. Just stop your diss before I come to your hood and send some shots at y'all. Cash out, getting tired of you, dog. So I'm gonna let my stress go and let your bitch suck my dick, balls and all. Where you at? Shoot that revolver, dude. Cause when I catch you, I'ma blast. Now you on a 10 o'clock news. Your family sad while I'm laughing, dude. Yeah, you had to choose. You chose the streets but should've stayed in school. Yeah. All the time, nigga. Yeah. Look, when I get through with this, you don't want to come back with a responder to, nigga. Yeah, I'm on one, nigga. You know where I'm at. If you don't, you better find out quick before I find you. You know what I'm saying? So look. Quan G, you a fool. What's gotten into you? You think you hard claiming stack money, little dude? You heard what you said. Y'all just a rap group. Now stick to that before you end up in a funeral. But you doing it to yourself. You a poodle, dude. I'm a pit bull on a chain. Just watch him let me loose. The 4-5 will get your body loose like Grey Goose. I had you stretched out and stuck like some super glue. Is this really what you want? Quan G missing too? R.I.P. to all the fuck boys, including you. You put yourself in this position. I'm just speaking truth. Quan G, stop your diss before I knock you out your shoes, nigga. You a bitch, man, nigga, bruh. I see what you do for a living, nigga. You make Facebook diss, nigga. You and your homeboys, nigga. They my niggas out here, nigga. Yeah. Fuck with me though. I'm off the shit.